So what we're going to do here is we're going to have some examples of mean, median, mode. So we're going to start with data set F, which I'm going to give as a frequency table. And the numbers won't be as pretty this time. So 15, 22. And we're going to find a mean, median, mode for this. So if you want, you could probably pause the video temporarily, try to work it out yourself. But if not, we're going to go through the answer. So the n is going to be how many points do we have, and for that we're going to sum up the frequencies. And so that's 15 plus 22 plus 35 plus 40 plus 58, which is going to be 170. The mode is going to be the one that's most common. The one that's most common is this one over here. So the mode is going to be 23. The position of the median, so for that we're going to have to go 170 plus 1 over 2, which is going to be 85 plus half of that, which is going to be 85.5. Remember, that's not the actual median, that's the position of the median. So the actual median is going to be the 85th number, or it's going to be between the 85th and 86th number. So that's going to be 37, 72. So it's going to be, both of them are going to be in here. And I should do that. So remember, at the end of this we're at 15, at the end of this we're at 37, at the end of this we're at 72, at the end of this we're at 112, and at the end of this we're at our 170. So the 85th number is going to be in this zone over here, and so our median is actually going to be 18. And the mean, last but not least, to find the mean we're going to go 7 times 15 plus 11 times 22 plus 12 times 35 plus 18 times 40 plus 23 times 58 all over 15 plus 22 plus, well, we know this is going to be 170, but I'll write it anyway. And this I definitely cannot do in my head. And so that's going to give us... I got 16.6. I did that quickly though. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. Okay, and that's data set F. Last one, we're going to have a data set G. And I'm going to introduce a new concept here. I didn't show it when I was showing the frequency tables. But we're going to have... Frequency tables don't have to all be numbers, they could also be ranges. So for example, I could say that from 0 to 20, there's all the people from 0 to 25, and there's all the people from 25 to 50, and all the people from 50 to 75, and all the people from 75 to 100, and all the people from 100 to 125. And so let's say the frequencies were 72, 20, 8, 11, and 3. Now you'll notice I kind of left some room on the table here because I'm planning on doing something. The way we figure out mean, median, and mode for all of these is we assume that, so there's 72 things that are between 0 and 25, and we're going to assume for calculation's sake that every single point is kind of in the middle. So the middle of 0 and 25 is 12.5. And we're going to assume that all 20 of these points are in the middle of those guys, which would be 37.5. And similarly, all these would be at 62.5 in the middle of those. And the way you find the middle, if you don't know how to find the middle, you take the average. So it would be 75 plus 100 divided by 2. Or you could just look in the middle. It's 25 apart, so it's going to be half of 25. It's going to be 12.5 away. That's kind of the way I was doing it. And 112.5. So then, for example, if I wanted the mode wouldn't be 0 to 25. The mode would be 12.5. And then you would find median and mode in similar ways. And that's it.